Today we will do 10-minute morning meditation for focus clarity. Let's take a moment. Close your eyes and simply listen. Let the sounds guide you on this journey. Good morning, and welcome to this 10-minute meditation to start your day with focus and clarity. Whether you're lying in bed or sitting comfortably, let's take a few moments to center ourselves before the day begins. Take a deep breath in, inhale, and slowly breathe out, exhale. Allow yourself to be fully present, and let go of anything that might be on your mind. This time is just for you. Let's dive in. Today, we're going to focus on bringing clarity and focus to the mind. Think of this meditation as a reset button, clearing away the mental fog and creating space for calm and clear thinking. Set an intention for today. Maybe it's staying focused at work, being present with loved ones, or simply feeling more grounded. Whatever it is, hold that intention gently in your mind as we move through this practice.
Together we can find our strength in every note, at every length. Rise above and feel the hope, like an eagle learn to cope. In the gentle light we fly, through the clouds up to the sky.
Let's start by focusing on the breath. Gently close your eyes if you haven't already, and take a deep breath in through your nose, and out through your mouth. Pause. Now, let's deepen that breath. Breathe in for a count of 4. Pause, hold for 2. Pause, and breathe out slowly for a count of 6. Feel the air filling your lungs, expanding your chest, and gently leaving your body. As you continue to breathe, feel your body becoming lighter, your mind becoming clearer with every breath. Let each exhale release any tension you're holding on to.
Soft piano plays the tune, morning light is shining soon. Gentle strings begin to glide, hope is waiting by our side. Whispers of a brighter day, path of dreams shows us the way. Every heartbeat feels the rise, in the glory of the skies. Whispers of a brighter day, path of
Now,
dreams
bring your
shows us
awareness
the
to your
way.
body, starting at the top of your head. Slowly scan down, noticing how you feel. Relax your forehead, your eyes, your jaw. Let your face soften. Move your attention to your neck and shoulders, allowing them to drop and relax. Feel your arms grow heavier, your hands resting gently in your lap or by your sides. As you breathe, feel any tightness in your chest dissolve. Relax your stomach, your hips, your legs, and all the way down to your toes. With each breath, your body becomes more at ease, and your mind more focused.
Chasing away every fear. Together we can find our strength in at every length. Rise above and feel the hope. Like an eagle, learn to cope. In the gentle light we fly, through the clouds up to the sky.
Now that your body is relaxed, let's bring clarity to the mind. Imagine a white light in the center of your forehead, right between your eyes. This light represents your clarity and focus. As you breathe in, see this light become brighter and stronger, and as you breathe out, feel it spreading through your entire body, bringing calm and focus. If any thoughts or distractions pop up, that's okay. Notice them, but let them drift away like clouds passing in the sky. Bring your attention back to that white light, back to clarity.
Morning light is shining soon. Gentle strings begin to glide. Hope is waiting by our side. Whispers of a brighter day. Path of dreams shows us the way. Every heartbeat feels the rise in the glory of the skies. Whispers of a brighter day. Path of dreams shows us the way. Every heartbeat feels the rise in the glory of the skies. Rise above and feel the hope. Like an eagle, learn to cope. In the gentle light we fly, through the clouds up to the sky. Percussion brings the steady beat. With each step our journey's sweet.
With your body relaxed and your mind clear, think about your day ahead. Picture yourself moving through your day with ease, focus, and purpose. Visualize moments where you stay calm and focused, even in the face of challenges. See yourself handling everything with a clear and steady mind. You are ready to take on the day, and you are in control of your focus.
In the gentle light we fly, through the clouds up to the sky.
Slowly start to bring your awareness back to the room. Wiggle your fingers and toes, and gently open your eyes if they were closed. Take a deep breath in, and exhale with a smile. Remember, you can carry this sense of clarity with you throughout the day. Anytime you feel scattered or stressed, just come back to your breath and that sense of calm focus. Thank you for joining me for this morning meditation. Have a peaceful and focused day ahead.
Soft piano plays the tune. Morning light.
If you enjoyed this meditation, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Self-Serenity Mastery for more peaceful and powerful practices. See you next time.